I am Mr. Finance. Your favorite financial educator, the best of the best, the one and only Mr. Finance.
Remember to hit subscribe right now. Subscribe.
Good morning. Rise and grind. Even though I didn't wake up on time this morning, I still get up and I'm getting mine. So what does this tell you? I told you, your habits, your routine and your habits, they just can't allow you to not be great. Even though I woke up late and not on time, my habits remind me that I gotta go get it done. Still gotta get it done. You gotta get up and go get it done. As I'm walking and I'm listening to The Richest Man in Babylon, it's a great book. I recommend every person that acquires success or wants to acquire success to listen to that book. And one of the things it talks about is a lean purse. A man should have a lean purse. And the question is, do you have a lean purse? What are you fighting for? Are you saving? Are you a saver or are you a spender? Do you spend less and save more, or are you actually saving less and spending more? Which are you? Never stop fighting for your dreams, guys. Just never stop. Never stop fighting for it. It's yours to get. You deserve it. Don't ever let nobody tell you that you don't deserve to get more. More is good. Don't let people tell you that being rich is evil. Poor is poverty. That's devastation. God didn't make you to be poor. He wants you to have an abundance. An abundance. It's okay to be wealthy. Do you hear me? Being poor and comfortable is not the life for anybody. Stop letting them tricking you. Being poor and comfortable is not the life for anybody. That's not what God made you to be. He made you to be abundant, rich, wealthy. You understand? In a position to give on to others as you want others to give on to you. But the thing is this, sometimes you're the blessing. Sometimes you can only give on to others as you want God to give on to you. Everything you do in life, don't do it for money. Do not do anything in the life of money. Do it because you either have a mission, a purpose, or a cause. Or you're here to give a solution. Money is the result of solving problems, of fulfilling causes. It's the result. Money is not the intention, it's the result. What is the purpose? What is the cause? That's how you get the money. Stay focused. Stay focused. I'm telling you, stay focused. Stay focused. Distraction is gonna come your way from every angle. From every angle and everybody. Stay focused. Don't get distracted. They could trick you out your bag. They could trick you out your opportunity. They could trick you off your purpose, your cause, your calling. Stay focused, guys. Stay focused. Stay focused. See, when the difficult times come, just remember why you started. Never forget why you start. Once you remember why you start, when difficult times come, you know it's temporary. Because it's not where you are, it's where you're going. So stay focused. Stay focused. Remember why you started. Read that every day. Read it every day. Remind yourself, why did you start? And never stop. Never give up. Hey ever. Guys, there's two forms of learning. You can learn through observation or you can learn through education. The problem is that most of us think education is how we learn. No, we learn through observation. That's why God gave us eyes to see. He gave us ears to listen twice. See twice, hear twice, right? Speak less. Think about that. So one of the things that I've learned over the years is that I could tell you how to fish, but in order for you to learn how to fish, to learn my techniques, you have to watch me. That's why they say you got to be the best follower in order to become the best teacher. You can't lead until you master following. There's no way someone just become a leader before they become a follower. So observation is the true education. Observe. See, life is about becoming the best student. It's okay to be the best student. It's not about being the best teacher. I tell people all the time, I don't want to be known as the king. I don't want to be known as the greatest of anything. I just want to be known as the kingmaker, the queen maker. I want to be known as the greatest student. The greatest student. That's what I want to be known as, the greatest student of life in everything that I do. I'm here to learn more, teach less. Hey guys, never forget to inspire people, motivate people, and educate people. Those are the three things we got to focus on every day. How can we inspire, motivate, and educate so that way we could progress, towards our greatness. So find more time to inspire, motivate, and educate yourself and
I
others.
am Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator, the best of the best, the one and only Mr. Finance.
Remember to hit subscribe right now. Subscribe.